So Archimedes was a Greek philosopher and a mathematician. We also call him as a scientist and an engineer. He lived in between 287 and 212 BC. He invented and also he devised a system of pulleys. So whenever we want to get the water from the well, we observe when we lift the water using some small container on the pulley, we feel it is easy. So that was the invention from the Archimedes. So heavy loads, in order to handle the heavy loads, we can use the pulleys and the levers. That was the invention from the Archimedes. In the Greece, there was a city called Syracuse. That was the native city of the Archimedes. So the Syracuse king, Hero II, on one day, he told to goldsmith to make a crown. The goldsmith made a crown and he brought to the king. He told this, and I used the entire gold you have given to me for making this crown. But king got some doubt whether this goldsmith utilized all the gold or not. So, with that doubt, uh, whom else he can ask? He called Archimedes. And he told to Archimedes, I want to know whether this crown is made with pure gold or this goldsmith added any cheaper metal. And he mentioned without damaging the crown, you have to find it. Then that was a very big question for the Archimedes. He has to find it without damaging it. So he should not apply any chemical principles. At the time, he was thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. And at that time, Archimedes, when he went to the bathtub, he observed that when he sat on the bathtub, he observed he is losing the weight partially. So that point made him to understand if we keep any object in the liquid, it will lose its weight partially. So if I keep pure gold in the water or any liquid, whatever the weight it has, example, the crown which is made with that much pure gold, whether if it is added with if any some other material, so I can find with this. So with this invention, he immediately ran on the streets of the Syracuse saying Eureka, Eureka, means I have found here. He has found the principle, which is the basic principle he experienced.